Namaste everyone. Bharti Wellness welcomes you to this series on Maharishi Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. In the previous Sutra 1.27, Maharishi Patanjali revealed that Om, the Pranav, is the sacred sound symbol of Ishvara. In this Sutra 1.28, he teaches us how to use that sound as a living spiritual practice through repetition and contemplation of its meaning. The sutra is Taj Japas Tad Arth Bhavanam, meaning is the repetition of Om and deep contemplation on its meaning should be practiced. The word Tad means that, referring to Pranav, the sacred sound Om. Japa means repetition, a steady and conscious chanting or remembrance. Arth Bhavanam means reflection or meditation on meaning behind the sound. Maharishi Patanjali thus instructs, Om is not to be chanted mechanically. While repeating it, one must simultaneously hold the awareness of what it represents, the all-pervading consciousness of Ishvara. Repetition, that is japa, purifies the mind, and contemplation, that is bhavana, awakens devotion and insight. When japa and bhavana, these two, go together, the sound transforms from a word into an experience, a bridge to the divine. Imagine a person calling a loved one's name with deep feeling, not merely uttering a word, but when pouring the heart into it. The name then becomes a living connection. Similarly, when we chant Om with awareness and reverence, it becomes alive with the vibrations of Ishvara. Mechanical repetition is like striking a bell with no intent. Meaningful repetition makes the whole space resonate with its sound. In Sutra 1.27, the previous Sutra, Maharishi Patanjali told us that Om is the Vachaka, the expression of Ishvara. Now, in this Sutra, he tells us how to realize that truth within ourselves. The practice of Om Japa is not limited to sound. It is the process of inner alignment. When we chant Om with awareness, three stages unfold: sound, silence, and absorption. The sound carries us inward. The silence reveals the peace of Ishvara, and absorption allows us to rest in that presence. In this way, Om Japa becomes both meditation and surrender, the essence of Ishwar Pranidhan in action. The practice of Om Japa awakens the higher vibrations of consciousness. As we chant Om, notice the sound of A flows into U and then into Ma. These are the waking, dream, and deep sleep states. And when the sound dissolves into silence, that silence is Turiya, the pure awareness behind all. When we repeat Om with reflection, we gradually move from the outer layers of sound to the inner stillness of being. The seeker begins to experience that Ishvara is not separate. He is the consciousness in which the sound and silence both exist. Ask yourself, when I chant Om, do I feel its vibration spreading throughout me, or is it only a sound from my lips? Can I carry the awareness of Om beyond my meditation cushion, remembering its peace even in activity? Can I allow Om to become a reminder of the divine presence that is always within me? So, the essence of Sutra 1.28 is the sound Om becomes sacred only when repeated with awareness and love for its meaning. Through steady japa and heartfelt bhavna, the mind becomes still, the heart opens, and the presence of Ishvara is directly felt. So, this was about Sutra 1.28. I will see you in the next episode with next Sutra. Namaste.